This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 107 of Building Optimus Prime. It feels like we're getting to the big numbers now, but it also feels like we're not really getting anywhere. It's very strange. Sally Watson, Charlie's mother, from Bumblebee again. And What You Leave Behind, the legacy of Optimus Prime. No, yeah, he's still around, isn't he? Is he not still around in the stories at the moment? I don't know. Dreadwing. No idea about Dreadwing. Autobot Cyberverse 2. Long live Cybertron. Yeah, I don't like these. I don't like the... Very strange that there seem to be lots of them. Some plain version of Optimus, but it's not right. Wheeljack, Perceptor, Hot Rod, and Prowl. I remember Prowl, but not in that version. Not with the big guns. Don't really like them. So, yes, continuing the right arm. Got a little sub-assembly to build today. We've just got to put a plate onto a joint and fancy bits. The arm details. And then we're done. So that won't take very long. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. So here we have the parts from today. We've got the two details that we're going to be adding soon. We've got two little washery pieces that we're not using yet till next time. And we do need 4 screws. So let's get those out first. Keep that one in our pile of safe ones. That'd be quite safe, and that's an empty bag. Right, so we're just adding these to that. We've got that to go on there. It'll only go one way round, and the way round is not that. That goes that way. That way. There we go. So that goes on there that way round. When it all lines up. And doesn't line up. I've got that the wrong one. Definitely showing that one. And it's definitely showing it that way round. I think. Maybe it's that way around. It'll only go on one way round, so let's try it the other way. No, still not going on. So it must be this way around. It's just me not getting it lined up quite right. A lot of these are quite, yeah, there we go, quite high tolerance, getting them exactly the right way round. But then it not being quite right. So that goes on there that way round, and we've got our 4 screws to hold that together. I quite like these screws. These are the screws that are like got a chamfered edge, so when they go in, they fit flush. So we've got those 4 to go in there. Get them all in, and then tighten them all up. One. And that one. There we go. I don't remember this bit from the last arm, but I'm sure I must have done one similar. That doesn't seem to go in that hole. Oh, it goes in that hole. There we go. It's that one. That one. That one. And tightening up the last one. There we go. These are both the same, and they go in somewhere. A hole goes in there. Never quite make out these pictures from there. No, it's in there. There we go. Goes in there, and on the same on the other side. They're round, so it doesn't matter which way round they go. And they're identical, so it doesn't matter which one goes in which side. But there we go. That is that part completed. So far, so good. We'll keep those until next time as well. So, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.